Namaste, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. So, how's everyone doing? Yes. So, if you have been watching the videos, so almost in every video, I keep telling chemistry is life. Without chemistry, life wouldn't have been this interesting. And you can see chemical reactions, chemical changes every day around you, right? So, how about I teach you some life hacks using chemistry, which will make your life better. How? What is that? Excited? Ha, chal. So, but before that, it is not only the problems we face, right? I mean, there are problems related to our education also, like doubts, they are not getting solved, and sometimes um, we don't want to just ask a doubt in front of all the other people, thinking, oh, what will they think about me, इतना भी नहीं पता है आपको, हाँ. So all those things, so sometimes doubts will remain unsolved. Notes, you will prepare something, but at the end you're not able to understand anything because you don't have proper notes. Tests and assignments, competitive exams, when should I start, how should I start? So many doubts regarding the competitive exams also. So what should be the choice of schedule? If the teacher asks you to come at 9 o'clock and attend the session, you have to. But if you're not okay with that timings, and the choice of language, so all these problems we face, right? Almost every student face these problems. So for that, we have a solution. All of your problems will be solved. Doubts in class, doubt solving, notes after every chapter, detailed notes, tests and assignments. After every session, you will get the assignments will be shared with you. Okay, and that will be even looked into. Okay, whether you have done it, like is it correct, everything, and test after every chapter. Competitive exams, yes, you will be one step ahead when it comes to competitive exams. Schedule, you can prepare your schedule. So at what time you want to attend a session, okay, from what time, of course it should be 1 hour, but the timings and all that, you will be preparing your own schedule. You will have the complete freedom and the choice of language too. Along with that, so these are the solutions for your problems. It has been solved now. So along with that, what are the bonuses? Unlimited live sessions, all micro and crash courses. So we are wondering, what is this micro crash course? So micro is, this is my favorite, because sometimes what used to happen is when I was a student, the teacher, they will go along with the like textbook, how the chapter wise, right? The first chapter, by the end of the sem or the year, I would have forgotten. It happens with everyone. Not like, you will know, you will remember, but not in detail, right? So you will have many doubts if you want to revise and all that. Of course, the teacher is not going to do that again, right? But here, so when you take this micro course, it is chapter wise. Okay, so you will be able to revise the chapter or if you have any doubts in the chapter, you can learn it again from the teacher you want to learn from. And the crash courses, the exams are near, you want to revise everything, we will help you with that also. And the performance reports also, it's not like session ho gaya, notes mil gaya. No. You will get your performance reports regularly. And the personalized attention is very important, right? So even though this is an online class, we'll make sure that each and every student is getting attention. So all these, if you're wondering, oh, मेरा problem solve हो गया, so what should I do, where will I get this? So all you have to do is visit this link, which is given in the description box, vdnt.in/ytpro, and what you have to do there is select your grade, first step, and then select the target, CBSE 2021 or ICSE 2021 or the Maharashtra 2021, and then click here to get the subscription. See, we have different subscriptions, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Before coupon, it will cost you 2699, but after applying the coupon code SURPRO, you will have to pay only 2294. 3 months के लिए it will be 6 999, but after applying the coupon it will be only for 5949. So you can look at the amount you will be saving. But 6 months is the best plan, because see, amount payable it is 11,499, but after applying the coupon it will be only for 9774. If you're thinking, oh, too much and all that, just divide the amount you're paying per session, okay, by number of sessions. You'll realize you're not paying so much, and that money you can go and buy a chocolate. But what are the benefits you are getting? Okay, so we don't want the learning to stop during this time, so we have come up with this pro subscription plan. If you like it, all you have to do, you know where to go. So just visit radiant.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code SURPRO. Her problem ka solution, one stop solution. Okay, these are the problems related to education, you got a solution. But what about life hacks? See, we have few problems we face in everyday, right? Very simple but very troublesome. For example, because of this pandemic time and there is lockdown, so you can't just go out whenever you want and buy things. If you have run out of the toilet cleaner, why am I showing Coca-Cola and I'm talking about toilet cleaner? So, don't have a toilet cleaner at home, you can use Coca-Cola as your toilet cleaner. Now, I'm not saying Coca-Cola is equal to toilet cleaner, but it contains a chemical which gets rid of the dirt. Yeah, but still, it's not good for your health, so do not consume it. How? What? So, what exactly happens is, so it contains, the Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid. So when it reacts with the dirt, so that is basically ferric oxide, iron oxide. So you will, when phosphoric acid reacts with iron oxide, you will get a new compound called as ferric phosphate, which is black in color. And you know that compound, a new compound formed when phosphoric acid has reacted with iron oxide, it can be easily scrubbed off. But the iron oxide, it is very difficult to clean. But now as you have added phosphoric acid, so there will be a reaction between phosphoric acid and iron oxide, and you are getting a new compound, ferric phosphate, that can be easily scrubbed off. Nice, right? So this is the reaction, phosphoric acid plus iron oxide, you will get ferric phosphate plus water. And the life hack number 2, what is that? People are going on a picnic, but yeah, that's not possible. But we do eat fruits like apple, pear, avocado. But one bad thing about them is, like, when you just slice them up and you will leave it for few minutes, it will have that brown layer on it. So we don't feel like eating, or even there will be change in the taste also. That is what happens is, so it will, when you chop, so there will be damage to the cells, right? And then there will be release of the enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. And this polyphenol oxidase, as it is exposed to the atmospheric oxygen, it will undergo oxidation. There will be quick oxidation. It does not even need hours or days together, like how iron, even it undergoes oxidation reaction, but it needs time. But our pear, apple, so within minutes these polyphenol oxidase will undergo oxidation. Then they will release the brown pigments and a bit of flavor, right? You all have seen it. So okay, what is the solution? How can you slow down this process? Because anyway, we are not storing it for days together, and once you chop up, you will eat within minutes. So all you have to do is give them a spray of lemon juice. So lemon, it has vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. So it is a food preservative which will slow down the reaction, that is, which will slow down the oxidation of the enzyme. So when the oxidation is slowed down, obviously the formation of brown pigments is also, it won't take place, right? So all you have to do is, you can use this in 2 ways. If you like the flavor of lemon juice with your apple, then you can just give it a spray, or you can take water in the vessel and then just squeeze out the lemon juice and add your sliced apple or the pear or avocados to it, and then the oxidation can be just, you know, prevented. So this combined with citric acid, you know lemon juice has citric acid, so it will help you keep your apples fresher for longer duration. See, this is how it happens when it undergoes oxidation, but when you have dipped in the orange juice or the lemon juice, see the oxidation, it can be prolonged. Okay, that is our life hack number 2. Moving on to life hack number 3. Even I have this bad habit. So you know, right, burgers are like really big, especially the ones you get in McDonald's and the truffles and all that. So whenever I have, I don't know how much I try, so something or the other will just spill off on my clothes, like the ketchup or the cheese, the mayonnaise and all that, and those stains are really hard to get rid of. So if you have edible oil or grease stains on clothes, how can you get rid of them? So I don't know how much these whatever they show in the advertisement work, but the oil which is organic, non-polar, and even the gasoline and the spirit, even they are non-polar, so they will nicely mix together and you can easily wash them off. So all you have to do is, if you have stains, the oil or grease stains, so add some gasoline and spirit, alcohol to that part, and the stains can be easily washed away. So that was our life hack number 3. Then moving on to life hack number 4. What is that? This really hurts, right? Have you bitten by ants? It really, it's irritating, it causes pain. Why? Have you ever thought why? So all you have to do is, if you have gotten bitten by an ant, apply the lime water in. Not the lime soaked, it is the lime water, CaOH twice. Or if you don't have lime water, you can use the baking soda also, baking soda solution. So this ants will release or inject formic acid when they sting you. Okay, formic acid, also known as methanoic acid, and this is an acid. You might have learned something: acid plus base, neutralization reaction, you will get salt and water. So when you add this calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, or baking soda, that is NaHCO3, so there will be neutralization reaction between acid and base. So obviously this acid will be neutralized, that will give you some relief. So that was our life hack number 4. And the last hack is craving for bananas. Want to have some bananas, but घर में भी it's all green, and even in the store it is green. What to do? You all know it will take a day or 2 to ripen, but you want to have it today only. For that also we have a solution in chemistry. So all you have to do is just put your bananas in the paper bag and add some tomatoes to it. How? Why? So what happens, this tomato, as it is already ripened, so this will release ethylene gas, which helps in the ripening of the fruits. Ethylene. Okay. Yeah. So this ethylene gas, even when you might have heard about the artificial ripening of fruits and all that, so they will spray this ethylene gas. Okay, so when you add these tomatoes, or when you keep the tomatoes and bananas together, so what happens? So the ethylene gas will be produced from tomatoes, which will cause the ripening of bananas at a faster rate, and you can have your bananas. Nice one, right? So do try all these life hacks at home. So I'm sure this will all work out, because even I do follow this. So I'm telling this after trying out all this, it really works. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section, so whether it worked for you guys or not. And if you know any other life hacks or tricks, which is related to chemistry, that you use and which is making your life better, then let me know in the comment section too. I'm very curious to know there. Okay, if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So you can always reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com, which is my mail ID. So I'll try to reply to all of the mails as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be back with, you want more life hacks? Do let me know, then I'll be back with more life hacks using chemistry. Till then, keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu and your master teacher Surabhi. Bye bye.